New franchise from Austin, Texas. I'm a new project manager. The owner chose Spaulding Decon for the uniqueness of the type of work that we'd be able to do. Also, the business model of Spaulding Decon is very attractive. Been here for 5 days doing training. I've had the experience of doing 2 live jobs. First live job was a biohazard job. This job today is a hoarder house, and we came in, there was a lot of clutter and dirt and food in the house, although one of the things we discovered when we went upstairs into the bathroom, which we're told is very common in a house like this, is there was a biohazard. What you can see is a lot of clutter. I don't see any real rodents right in here, but we haven't start going through the bottom, start picking things up. Looks like a lot of electronics, there's food in here, there's old soda cans as you can see, just a lot of clutter. What's important is to go to the next room, because in the next room we're going to go from clutter and why you would hire a company like Spaulding Decon. And we can come into this bathroom and you can see that we have a biohazard scene. So we need to come through here, clean all this up, and we have to totally decontaminate this bathroom. You're seeing all contamination on the shower, on the toilet, in the toilet, on the floor. So it became a 2-pronged job. 2 of the verticals that Spaulding does, one is hoarders, as we know, one is also biohazard, and that's why someone who has a house like this would hire Spaulding Decon. So far our experience has been really good. Work is kind of what we expected. The first job actually had air conditioning and it was pretty hot. Today doors are open as we're cleaning up the hoarder house, and it is pretty warm in here, but nothing that we can't work through.